In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a TUI flight ticket. We'll start by heading to tui.co.uk. Once the website loads, look for the flight section and click on it. This takes you to the flight booking area where you can begin entering your travel details. First, choose your departure airport in the fly from field. Make sure you select the location that's most convenient for you, because this will determine the flights available. Next, move to the fly to field and choose your destination. Double check both locations before continuing so you don't accidentally search the wrong route. After that, select your departing date. This is the date you want to leave. Then choose your returning date if you're booking a round trip. Take a moment here to confirm the calendar selection, especially if you're traveling during a busy period or around weekends when availability can change quickly. Next, select the number of passengers. Be sure the passenger count is accurate before you search, since pricing and available seats are based on the total number of travelers. Once everything is filled in, click the search button to view available flight options. The site will then show you the flights that match your search. Browse through the results and select the flight that works best for your schedule and budget. Depending on the route, you may see different times and fare options, so it helps to compare carefully before making your choice. When you've selected your preferred flight, click Continue to move to the next stage. From there, you'll be taken to the Passenger Details section. This is where you enter the required traveler information exactly as it appears on the relevant travel documents. It's important to check spelling carefully here, because even small mistakes can cause issues later. Once the passenger details are complete, proceed to the payment section. Here, you'll review the booking cost and enter your payment information to finalize the purchase. Before submitting payment, it's a good idea to quickly review your route, dates, and passenger details one more time. Finally, after payment is processed, you'll reach the confirmation stage. This is where your booking is completed. Make sure you review the confirmation page carefully and keep a copy of your booking details for reference. And that's it. That's how to book a TUI flight ticket from start to finish. Follow each screen carefully, review your information before continuing, and you should have your flight booked in just a few minutes.